Hi, welcome to Assist channel. In this video, I'm going to show us a quick start guide to using the Assist system. Imagine that for a moment that I've just signed up for a new Assist account, or I've been set up as a user on the Assist system by my colleague. So I have received a welcome email looking something like this. This is a welcome email for the first-time user. So the first step we need to do is to accept the invitation. So once we accept the invitation, we will be led to the Assist main portal. Let's take a look at the main portal. So this is the Assist interface that you will see once you log on to the Assist portal. So let me now demonstrate to us how we can start using this system. To use the Assist system, there's 3 steps we need to remember. Step 1 is to capture an image of the business document that we want to submit the system. So let's take, for example, that now we are trying to submit an invoice to the system. So first step is to capture a digital image. So we could actually use a camera to take a photo of the physical hard copy, or if in certain circumstances, our supplier may already send us a PDF document. So the accepted digital file format for Assist is a PDF, JPEG, PNG, or JPG format. The important criteria to remember is that each file is one invoice or one receipt. That invoice can be one or multiple pages. So first step, capture an image. The second step is to email that image to the Assist system. So for each company, we will be providing you a unique email address just for that company. So you will email your images to that email. And the third step, we will log on to the Assist system, and from that interface, that is where we will start to manage our documents. For this demonstration, I am going to use 3 systems to guide us through the use of this system. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to use Xero as my accounting software package. I have my Assist system, and I'm going to use my email interface to submit my documents. In this example, I have already connected my Assist system with my accounting software Xero. Let me start off by showing you the Xero interface. This is my Xero accounting interface. For this demonstration, I am going to submit an invoice that is an account payable. So under business, bills to pay. At this moment, you can see that I have no bills that I need to pay. So the first step in the process that I've just mentioned is we need to submit a digital copy of our invoice to the system. So for that, I'm going to show you my email interface. Here, I'm making use of Gmail on my laptop. We can also be using a mobile phone, similar email client. So let's compose an email. What we need to do is attach an image of the file that we want to submit to the system. So I'm clicking on attach. Here I have already captured a few images of invoices and receipts in my system. So I'm going to pick out one of my invoices over here. Okay, I'm picking up this invoice. I call it Golden Sample 2. Open. So in this address to field, I will key in my unique email address assigned to my organization. In this case, finance grade biz is my assigned email address. I don't have to enter any email subject or any body text in the email. I can just proceed to submit the PDF document. So I'll just hit a send over here. Okay, so we have submit through email our necessary attachment. So the next interface I will show you is the Assist interface. So this is the interface where, as an authorized user, typically the person who plays this function could be the person doing the bookkeeping function or the finance function. So I'm going to refresh this interface. So you see that over here, just now early on, I was submitting a document. It's called Golden Sample 2. At this moment, it's saying processing over here. What this means is Assist is now looking at the document and trying to extract key information from that document. So while the information is still being processing, let me just briefly go through this interface. So if you were to look under your account setting, under general, you will see there is two email address. Just now when I submitted the invoice for processing, I've sent it to the first email address on top over here. There is a second email address that's intended for employee claims. We will demonstrate the use of this address in a separate video later on. Let's go back to our document management interface, document over here. So now I no longer see the word processing over here. So it means this document has been reviewed by the system. So the next step I need to do now is to actually click on this file name and start validating the information. So let's go ahead to click Golden Sample 2. So now in this interface, you see on the left-hand side here is the digital copy of the image that I've emailed to the system. So I can actually collapse this if I want to see more space, more real estate. On the right-hand side, these are the various critical information entity that has been Assist has helped us extracted from the document on the left. So now as a bookkeeping function, my duty is now verify the information on the right to make sure it is consistent with the information on the left. So let's go through this example. So in this example on the left, this is a Singapore currency. The invoice number ends with 205, as you can see over here, invoice number 2 ending with 205. The invoice date, 20th September 2021. This invoice was sent to Chris International as the receiver, as you can see over here, the receiver address. Ship to address is the same, extracted from this location on the invoice. The supplier for this invoice is ESTECS, so you can see that it is correctly extracted. Supplier tax ID over here. Payment terms, there's a 30 days payment terms, and my purchase order information ending with 0009, as you can see on the left. Right. The next is the amount that we need to pay for this invoice. We can see the net amount before tax is 2792. The tax amount 195.44, and the total amount 2987.44 is extracted correctly. So if I want to go into the respective line items, I can see there is two line item here. First item is for Ting book. It is extracted correctly. So quantity, each unit price is 1396. Total is 2792. Is consistent with the document on the left. The second line item, you see the laptop bag. It's a free item for me, so it's 0. So after I've validated that information on the right-hand side is correct. So you can see on the top, there's a few buttons. So in this case, Assist is already connected to my accounting package 0. So this button appears. I can proceed to send this to my accounting package. So I'll proceed to send this document. So you see that the status has changed to send to 0 success, right? So if I go back to the main menu, it also tells me the status with a green tick, meaning it has already been submitted to my accounting package. So next, I'll show you my accounting package interface again. We go back to the 0 interface. So here, I'm going to refresh this screen. So now you see that there's now an entry over here. So if I were to click this item here in my accounting package, so first thing you will notice that the same PDF file that was inside Assist has also been forwarded to the 0 accounting package. On the right-hand side, you would see that all the line items have been pre-populated for me from which supplier, reference number, etc. So if I'm happy with the entries inside my accounting package, I can go ahead to save this. Right. So subsequently, when all these bills are due for payment, whoever's authorized to release payment can then come here to release all these payment from the accounting package. So I hope that gives us a good guide to quickly start using the Assist system. Until our next video. Have a good day. Bye.